Well, I am very disappointed that I've been on the road from morning and I have not encountered one JPS repair truck. We're on the main road, the main east-west corridor at Spur Tree. There's a pole here blocking the road. There are a number of poles that have been broken, JPS poles. And being up and down from morning on the roads, I've not seen one JPS vehicle, I've not seen one NWA vehicle, and the weather has been clear from morning. There's been nothing preventing the operations from taking place. So I would have expected that vehicles would have been pre-positioned, particularly knowing that the Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth were the areas that the meteorologists had predicted would have been most heavily impacted. So I'm very disappointed today.